What's up, y'all? I want to show you today how I use Inkscape to create SVG files for Shaper Origin. So I have this bear that I found online, and first of all, if you notice, this is just a PNG regular file. And if you go up here to View, Display Mode, and go to Outline, there is no outline, so this is not currently a cuttable file in the Shaper. So the way that we change this and make it a file that you can use with your Shaper is by selecting the image, whatever the image is. Make sure you select the whole thing using this arrow. Once you've selected the image, you're going to go to Path, Trace Bitmap, and when you're in here, there's several different ways you can do this. I usually use brightness cutoff. I don't change the settings, and once you hit update, it'll give you a preview of what that will look like once the trace is done. But you can also do edge detection, and you can hit this update button to see what that would look like. You can use any of the functions here and just hit update, and it'll show you what that would look like. But like I said, I usually use brightness cutoff, and hit OK, and then it will do the trace for you. And once you exit out of that, you can see there's now two images. You've got your original and the one that was just traced. Now if you go back to View and the display mode and go back to Outline, you'll now see that you've got two images, and you've got your new one and then your old one. Now I usually just delete the old one, and if you pull the new image back down and zoom in on this, you'll be able to see that you've got a nice consistent line around the outside of this file, and this line is now cuttable. You can engrave, you can use it however you like to use it once you get it imported into your Shaper. So that is how I take files that I find on the internet or that you get from people that may be JPEG or PNG or whatever files you find, and you can easily use Inkscape to convert them into a file that's usable with your Shaper. So now I save it, and just make sure you change that file from whatever it was named earlier and save it as an SVG file. And I usually just leave it in the Inkscape SVG mode and save it. And now you've got this file that you can use with your Shaper. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.